name is Jack, and today I'm going to talk to you about the Kalam cosmological argument. The Kalam cosmological argument is about the existence of God. And some people can ask you, how to prove that. So I'll tell you what you should say. In the Bible, it says that we as Christians should spread the word of God and in 1 Peter 3:15 it says, "But in your hearts set apart Christ as Lord. Always be prepared to give an answer to everyone who asks you to give the reason for the hope that you have, but do this with gentleness and respect." And what that means is that God wants us to tell people why we believe in this when they ask. And ancient Greek philosophers believed that Earth was always here, and the universe was always here, and there was never a beginning. But the Jews, Christians, and Muslims actually believed that there was a beginning. The Muslims didn't believe that God was the beginning, but they believed that. But they're sort of like us because they believe in one God, and their one God is Allah. So it was around 1100 AD, a Muslim philosopher named Al-Ghazali. That's actually not his name. It's just abbreviated.
It's a crazy long name.
He came up with the argument for the existence of God, and there's 3 steps to it. 1, whatever begins to exist has a cause. Here's some examples. My Crocs have a beginning. Their cause was a factory. Or SpongeBob, he has a beginning in the studio, and his cause was film writers wrote it and drew it out, and so that proves that something cannot just pop out of nothing. Number 2, the universe began to exist, and scientists, starting with Edwin Hubble, can prove that. See, here's Earth, and the Big Bang happened. Say these galaxies were here. They're actually going away and expanding the universe. And how we can tell is that there's a red line, there's a red light, and that means that that's happening. So number 3, therefore the universe has a cause, and it has a beginning, and the cause is God. And even in the Bible, it proves that. It says, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." And that's the end of my presentation. Is there any questions?